Do you want to craft some intricate woodwork pieces? Would you like to make furniture in large quantities? Do you need to cut objects out of the workpiece with high precision and efficiency? You can do all this and more with computer numerical control or the CNC routers. As the name indicates, these routers use computerized controls to perform cutting and shaping operations on different types of materials. But are CNC routers a worthy replacement for the traditional handheld tools? The short answer to that is, yes. When we have faster, better, and more robust tools like the CNC routers available, why not make use of that and leverage the benefits of technological advancement? All you do is create the desired design using a 3D software. Create the instructions, called G-code, for your router, and then, place the ply on the assembly line attached to the CNC router. Now, watch your design come to life. So, whether you are making a product in large quantities or crafting a one-off piece, trust CNC routers for an efficient and cost-effective product.